Hello friends, welcome to English Corner, the complete grammar guide. Dear friends, we are in the last topic in noun, that is case. The case of a noun can be classified into 5: nominative case, objective case, possessive case, vocative case, dative case. Nominative case. A noun or a pronoun, when it is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. For example, Tom killed a snake. As we studied in subject and predicate, in this sentence, Tom is the subject and killed a snake is the predicate, which contains the verb killed. So, the noun Tom is said to be in the nominative case. Now let us see how to find the nominative case. Just ask the question who or what to the verb. In the example, we can ask the question to the verb. Who killed the snake? The answer is Tom. So, it is in nominative case. I'll show you one more example. Stars shine at night. Here, the verb is shine. Let us ask the question. What shines at night? Answer is stars. It is said to be in nominative case. In this same way, by asking questions to the verb, you can find out the nominative case. Objective case. It also called as accusative case. A noun or a pronoun, when it is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. Before saying example, let me tell you how to find out the objective case. To find objective case, put whom or what before the verb and subject. Let us take the same sentence as example. Tom killed a snake. Now ask the question, what did Tom kill? The answer is snake. Therefore, the noun snake is called the object and it is said to be in the objective case. We can see one more example. The horse kicked the boy. Here we can understand the boy is the object as it is the answer to the question whom did the horse kick, and it is said to be in objective case. Possessive case. It is also called as genitive case. A noun or a pronoun, when it is used to show ownership or possession, authority, origin, kind, etc., it is said to be in possessive or genitive case. Dear friends, it is very easy to understand. This is Anu's pen. Here, Anu is the noun and the pen belongs to Anu. Anu's show the ownership or possession and said to be in possessive case. Vocative case. When the noun is the name of a person spoken to or addressed, it is said to be in the vocative case. Stand up Sam. Here, the noun Sam is addressed. Come on Manu. Here, Manu is addressed. Dative case. When a noun indicates the indirect object of the verb, it is said to be in the dative case. For example, Anu gave Manu a chocolate. In this sentence, Manu is the person to whom Anu gave a chocolate. So, Manu is the indirect object. Indirect object denotes the person to whom something is given or for whom something is done. Leah brought Ria a book. Here, Ria is the indirect object and said to be in dative case. So guys, that's all about case. Hope you like this video. See you with another topic. Bye.